Hey everybody, this is your girl Cheryl, founder and creator of Swimming Upstream, the online community dedicated to Christian singles. And I am here to offer this week's video tip of the week. And it is short and sweet and simply is get noticed. Now, I know some of you are saying, what do you mean, Cheryl, get noticed? I've been doing everything I can besides putting a sign up to get noticed. Now, when I say get noticed, I'm not asking you to do anything to go out of your way. Well, I am asking you to go out of your way, but in a productive way. Oftentimes, especially with a lot of my friends, we're so career oriented and we spend enormous amounts of time, preparing for our careers, preparing our education, 5-year plans, 10-year plans, that we've exhausted ourselves and we haven't taken care of our physical bodies. So, and I know we're looking for Mr. Right, or my fellows, you're looking for Miss Right, but you've spent so much time beautifying the inside. And sometimes it's to the neglect or the detriment of your outside. So when I say get noticed, what I'm asking us all to do is spend extra time on our appearance. Now, ladies, I know we don't like to hear this, but before that wonderful man can fall in love with our beautiful minds, he must first be attracted to our beautiful appearance. So if that means spending some extra time before we go out to run errands, before we go to the grocery store, the post office, or whatever needs we have to do, putting on a little makeup here and there, making sure we're presentable, let's do that. And for my fellows, if that means spending a little extra time to get your nails groomed, all those nose hairs trimmed, cologned up, because we like you to be smelling good too. Whatever it takes to make sure that we're presentable in our appearance as well as on the inside. Because for most of us, we've spent a lot of time beautifying our insides. We have great character. We have great minds. We have great spirits. We love the Lord. Sometimes we neglect the outside. So to get noticed, take care of everything that God has given you, even if that is taking care of your physical body, exercising, eat right, so that what you put in reflects what comes out. So our video tip of this week is get noticed. Spend those extra moments beautifying yourselves, lady. Spend those extra moments, men, grooming up, getting ready for us, because it'll all be worth it in the end. So again, my name is Cheryl Thomas, founder and creator of Swimming Upstream, the online Christian community for Christian singles. And you can always find other tips on facebook.com/swimming upstream. That's swimming with a Y. Or you can find us on Twitter if you tweet at twitter.com/swim with a Y upstream. We look forward to seeing you, and until next time, swim well. God bless you.